Hey guys, Far Away here. I am working right now. I'm about to paint that wing and some miscellaneous parts, but this is not what the video is about. The video is about what's in this box. Alright, before I show you what's in the box, I do want to thank Jacob. He sent me this Wyoming plate. Thank you, brother. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to collect all 50 states. So one less. Thank you. Alright, let's do the unboxing of this box and what I'm going to be doing with what's inside. Right here, guys, you can see a lot of little goodies. So let's just keep on. I'm going to put everything on the bench right here so that you can see what's inside. There it is, guys. This is the content. What it is, it's to be doing some gold leaf, silver leafing, all the materials that you are gonna need. I am gonna show you how to do the silver leafing and gold leafing, and I'm gonna go step by step. Now if you want to get this kit so that you can follow me, I'm gonna be doing this video in about maybe a week so that you can get all your stuff together and follow me so that you can go step by step as to what I'm using and how to use it. Alright, these are all the materials that are going to be used to do that leafing. This is the same materials that was used in that lowrider, and we're going to be doing and showing the exact same thing as to how to do it. Exactly step by step, what is it that you need. So right here I do have a couple of brushes that were sent. These are to apply the sliding glue, some leaf, some sanding discs, sanding tool to do the swirls, some tape. This is some oil to preserve your brushes, and this is the glue. Okay, all of this was from Magic City. This is the link right here. That's the link, so you can go and get yourself all of this so that you can follow me when that video is coming out. Okay, I'm gonna be doing the video on this. This is it's a miniature hood. It is plastic, and I am gonna show all. I am gonna be painting it lowrider style with a different graphics, different colors, and I am gonna be doing some gold leafing or maybe some silver leafing. I don't know yet, but this is what I'm going to be using. All right, so just stay tuned to this video. You're gonna like it, and go get yourself some of these products, guys, so that you can follow me. And that'll be it, guys. This is a real quick video, a real quick unboxing video of the Magic City gold leafing and silver leafing kit, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, so let me just get back to painting, and I'll see you when I start this lowrider design. All right, thank you, guys. Go see that Magic City website, and let's just keep on painting. All right, guys, thank you. Like always, God bless.